off-roading, because the way up from here is not, as I mentioned yesterday, not travel friendly. So just a little adjustments. The handle won't turn or else. Oh, yesterday it was raining very heavily, so this is how we are going up. Woo! Made it. So the next dead end is this. So I'll just give a brief. I came from there, I went up there. That's actually not the way. You have to go down from here for peaceful homestay. Let's descend. Damn. Maybe the GoPro is not justifying what I am actually going through right now. But I would say come visit the homestay. It's really nice. The hosts are really nice, very friendly, and the tea here is you can ask for tea n number of times. They'll prepare the tea and they won't charge for it, because tea is something we all need eventually. And here we are, completed the descent.